Hello everyone, my name is Gabby and I work for the PSED department at ESU. Today I'm going to be showing you some important features on D2L. The first thing we're going to look at is this top bar up here. You have a couple different icons. The first one we have is update alerts. This is where you will see any new news, new notes, new posts, anything your professor has added to D2L you will see here, and it will show you an orange dot on this icon. Your next one is a subscription alert. This is where you will get notifications that people have responded to your replies and to your posts. This last one is your email notifications. If people are emailing you through D2L, that will come up right here. Next, we are going to look at a specific class and the different features you can find there. The first thing to look out for when you click on a class that you are currently enrolled in, you will have your news right here. This is where your professors will post news for the class. Some of them might post new assignments, things like that. And on this side over here, you have a calendar. It'll show you things and assignments that have due dates attached to them. A very important tab is right here, the content tab. This is the first one we're going to look at. So we're going to hit that. This is where your professors will be posting all of your assignments. This is the tab you need to click to find out everything that's due, all of the readings they want you to finish, everything that your professors want you to do. This is where you will find it. And it will be on a list on the left-hand side, as you can see. The next tab here is resources. It's just a list of different resources that you can use throughout D2L. We won't be going over these today. This next tab is also very important. This is your communication tab. This is going to be how you are keeping in contact with your professors and your classmates while ESU goes online. So the first thing we're going to click here is the class list button. This is where you will find all of the different classmates you have in your classes and where your professors will be. If you click on any of these names here, it will bring up an email option, and this is how you can keep in contact with your classmates and professors while we are online. There's also an email button right here. The next tab that we're going to click is discussions. This is how your professors will be keeping up with class discussion throughout the rest of the semester. This is where you're going to find different threads to talk to your classmates through. So all you got to do is click on the thread that your professor has created. There will normally be a prompt for you to answer, and to answer it, all you have to do is press Start a New Thread. In order to submit it, you have to add a subject line. And then here is where you would type your new post. You would respond here as well. After this, you would click Post and you're set to go. In order to reply to other students' threads, you just click on the topic. Scroll down to Reply to Thread. You write your reply right here, click Post, and you're good to go. The next tab up here is Assessments. Here is where you will find grades, where to submit certain assignments, things like that. So the first thing we're going to go to is Dropbox. This is where your professors will allow you to upload materials for your projects and assessments and assignments. So as you can see here, you have the category. So the first one here was Reading Guide. You click on that. It'll bring you to this page right here. You can click Add a File. It will bring up this display. I always keep my assignments in my computer, so that is what I click on. You would click Upload. It'll bring you to your library. You'll choose your assignment, and then you would click Add. After adding the file, you can add comments if necessary, and then click Submit. I apologize. After you click Submit, ESU will send you an email saying that you have successfully submitted your assignment to Dropbox. You can also see feedback here if your professors give you feedback on your assignments. This is where you can read it, and you will also be able to see your score once it's been graded. Next, we have the quizzes option. There are no quizzes in this list, but if there were, you would find them listed here. And just like in Dropbox, you would click on the quiz, and you would go through the quiz and click Submit. Some quizzes might ask you to download Respondus Lockdown. To do that, you just click the link that asks you to download it, download Respondus, and then complete the quiz. Finally, in assessments, you have grades down here. This is where you can see how you've done on your certain assignments. You can see what assignment it is, what grade you got, if there's a weight attached or points, and you can also read comments and assessments, or comments and feedbacks, my apologies. One of the most important things to note here is that you cannot rely solely on the calendar. You must check the content tab for what you need to complete. This is where all of your assignments are going to be located. Thank you for listening to this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask your professors for help during these next few weeks.